Right, so let me introduce this little screw collection. So let's see what we've got. It's quite a handy set for different thread types. So you have the big one, and then you have the small one. So different tripods have different setups. So for instance, you need to convert this. It's quite simple. Just put that in here, and now all of a sudden you converted it to a completely different setup. You have also those little inlets. It's also quite nice. You put that in here, and then all of a sudden it turns it where the small screw can go in there. So again, if you need a big one here, you just insert that, and it turns it. Yeah, you can do whatever you want, from big to small. Then you can convert it again as you please. You can see again back to the small one. It's quite nice here. So it's quite cool, actually, I must admit. This is worth the money. So this is definitely a 5-star. This equipment is good. Of course, it's not rocket science, but it doesn't need to be. It's good enough for that what it is. Yeah, it's definitely good enough for that what it is. Yeah, goes right in there. Another one in there. Right, so everything is kind of combined quite nicely. So so it's okay. It's good. So that's definitely can recommend to purchase for £7, because I bought one of those the other day. One of those on eBay for £3.40. So look at what I've got here for £7. So it's just actually quite amazing. So Donkey Doggies for watching. Please like, share and comment, and of course subscribe to my channel. Arawa.